All right, guys. Everyone in the summertime is loving the claw clip, so I'm going to show you a quick, easy summer hairstyle with a claw clip. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take her hair and we're going to put it, act like we're doing a bun, but we're going to just go halfway through, okay? Then what we're going to do is we're going to take this hair and split it in two, and then we're going to go up like this, and we're going to twist the hair and we're gonna put it like that. After you twist it, you kind of want to like tuck that under there, and then you're just gonna put that claw clip right on it. Are you kidding me? That's so adorable.
Amazing.
What? Are you kidding me? That's a perfect summer claw clip hat.